Hi, this is Dan Encell with Berkshire Hathaway. Today is Friday, May 10th. Quick summary of the MLS statistics for the month of April for the South Coast here. So for the Santa Barbara area as a whole, saw a slight increase in the number of new listings coming on the market, 284. You have to go back to about 2015 to see that many new listings coming on during April. Number of solds, 148, down about 10% compared to what we normally see during an April. You see it up and down a little bit, but definitely about 10% less than we're used to seeing. Pendings, 219 pendings. That is up considerably compared to the past few years, which means we're going to have good closings in May and June. So you have to go back to about 2014 to find an April that had that many or more pending sales. So again, it looks like our late spring market's going to be fairly strong. What's happening in Montecito? Montecito seems to have settled into a fairly neutral plateau market right now. We've got a pretty good equilibrium between inventory, buyers, and sellers there. A little bit of a spike in inventory, new listings coming on during April. There's 67. You have to go back to about 2011 to find an April that had that many new listings there. So definitely a little spike in inventory, but pretty good absorption. Number of sales, 20 closed sales. That's very, very consistent with what we've seen over the past decade for an April. 25 properties pending right now. Again, that's pretty consistent with what we usually see during an April for Montecito. So again, it feels like we've settled into a pretty good neutral plateau market for both the Santa Barbara area as a whole and Montecito.